Hi, my friend, Sam Villa here, Redken Global Artistic Ambassador. I want to talk about braids today, and it's real simple in terms of how do we make braids look different. This technique is called braid in a braid. Real simple. All we're simply doing is taking 3 sections. Yet what's most important is we went in with our texture iron and we worked with the texture iron. And we're working with the texture iron once again just to enhance the volume of the braid itself. Our products of choice, we worked with our Iron Shape 11 thermal heat protector, not an option, a necessity when working with heat. Now look what I've done. I pulled the hair back into a ponytail. I took the middle section, take 3 sections like we would a braid, and we braided that. Now from there, we're gonna do a normal braid. See, the idea is this, is that we wanna go in and we wanna create a sense of value, visual value. So the braid looks a little bit different. So we're gonna come through and we're just gonna do a normal braid. Coming through and just braiding. But let's get the braid to show right away. So let's go outside. Okay. Now come under, palm, pinch, under. Look at the braid. See how it just gives it a different type of visual in terms of how you see it. So rather than just taking 3 sections and doing a normal braid, take that middle section and pre-braid that, then go in and do a normal braid. Once again, visual value. You could go through, you could actually pull the sections that have not been braided. You could actually pancake those out. There's another technique called string braid that's very similar, but now instead of a section being very skinny, we actually braided that section, okay? Now you could come in, you could pull this, pull that, and pull that, but you can just start to see how you can create just a different type of chignon or bun or simple ponytail, just simply by the way that you braid it. Once again, braid in a braid, real simple to do, and don't forget, texture iron, enhance the volume. Thanks for watching.